Chapter 10. Beautiful birds. Get set. Work in pairs. In your notebook, write a rhyming poem on any bird that you like. Also make a drawing of the bird. For example, Mrs. Duck and Mr. Drake swim merrily in Lily Lake. Duckling is fluffy and yellow, a happy and playful fellow. You may choose a bird from parrot, owl, eagle, sparrow, crow, dove or peacock. Different types of birds can be seen in our surroundings. We have learned that some birds live on land and some in the air. They have wings to fly. Birds make nests and lay eggs. Not all birds can fly, some are flightless also. Let's learn something more about birds. Beak, eye, wing, feathers, tail, leg, claw. Special features of birds. 1. A bird has a streamlined body which helps it to cut through the air. 2. It has wings. The wings are attached to the body with the help of muscles. These muscles help to move the wings up and down and forward and backward. 3. Feathers are attached to the wings. A bird has 2 types of feathers. Down feathers cover the body. They are small and fluffy. They help the bird to keep warm. Flight feathers are attached to the wings. They are flat and long. They help the bird to fly. 4. The bird's tail is made up of feathers. It helps the bird to change direction while flying. 5. The bones of a bird are hollow and so the body is very light. This helps the bird to fly. Types of birds. There are many types of birds. Flying birds. Most birds can fly. The wings of flying birds are shaped to provide lift, allowing them to fly. Ability to fly helps them to hunt for food, escape enemies and take them away from bad weather. Flightless birds. Flightless birds have heavy and solid bones and so cannot fly. Many of them are found in places where there are few enemies to escape from. These birds are fast runners or good swimmers. Examples of flightless birds are ostrich, cassowary, kiwi, rhea, emu and penguin. Aquatic birds. Birds that live in water are called aquatic birds. They get their food from water. They have special oil glands so that their feathers do not get wet. Flamingos, cranes, ducks and swans are aquatic birds. What do birds eat? Birds spend most of their time looking for food. Most birds are insect eaters. Some birds like owls and eagles are meat eaters. Some birds like pigeon and hummingbirds are mostly plant eaters. Other birds like crows are plant and meat eaters. Some birds like parrots are fruit eaters. Birds mostly use their keen eyesight to find their food. They use their beaks and claws to get bugs, worms, small animals, fish, fruit, grain or nectar of flowers. Beaks of birds. The mouth of a bird is called the beak. It is also called bill. Birds use their beaks for eating, defense, feeding young ones, gathering food and nesting materials, building nests, preening, scratching and attacking. Beaks are also used to drink, hold, pierce and tear food. They are of different shapes and sizes. The shape of a bird's beak depends on the type of food it eats. Birds do not have teeth inside their beaks. Different types of beaks. Birds have different types of beaks. Cracker, seed-eaters like sparrow, finch, robin, peacock and pigeon have short, thick, hard and conical beaks for cracking seeds. Shredder, birds of prey like eagles, hawks and owls have sharp, curved or hooked beaks for tearing flesh. Chisel, woodpeckers have beaks that are long and chisel-like for boring into wood to eat insects. Probe, hummingbird, hoopoe and sunbird have beaks that are long and slender for probing flowers for nectar and pull out insects from holes in the ground. Strainer, swan, Duck and goose have long and flat beaks that have tiny holes on the sides. These holes strain small plants and animals from the muddy water. Spear. Birds like herons, kingfishers and pelicans have spear-like beaks adapted for fishing. Tweezer. Insect eaters like warblers have thin, pointed beaks. Swiss Army them to knife small animals. Crows have multi-purpose beaks that allow eat fruits, seeds, insects, fish and other. Feet and claws of birds. If you want to learn more about birds, pay attention to the shapes of their feet and claws. You can use it as one of the features to identify birds. If you have already identified a bird, you can learn more about its behavior by looking at the feet and knowing about where it lives. Different types of feet and claws. The following table shows you some different shapes of feet and claws of birds and their adaptations. Grasping or prying. Eagle, hawk and owl have large curved claws called talons. These help the birds catch and hold their prey like rat, chick, fish, etc. Scratching. Pheasants and chicken that scratch the soil for food have nail-like toes. Swimming. Duck and other swimming birds have webbed feet. They use them as paddles while swimming. Perching. Robin, crow, sparrow, myna, dove, pigeon and wren have a long back toe pointing backward, which lets them grab a perch tightly. Running. Many fast-running birds like the ostrich have 3 toes rather than 4. Climbing. Birds like parrot, parakeet and woodpecker have 2 hind toes to enable them to climb without falling backward. Wading. The long and spread out toes of heron, crane and flamingo help them walk on soft surfaces at the edge of a water body or in muddy water without getting their legs wet. Care of the young. Birds lay hard-shelled eggs in their nests which hatch after some time. Some birds like hens lay eggs each day, others may not lay eggs for years. The mother bird lays the eggs and sits on them to keep them warm till the baby birds inside are fully developed. When the baby birds are fully developed, they hatch out of the eggs cracking the eggshell with their beaks. The baby birds that hatch out of the eggs are weak, featherless and their eyes are closed. Most birds are taken care of by at least one parent until they are able to fly and can search for their own food. Some birds like cuckoos lay their eggs in other birds' nests, generally in crow's nest. The non-related adult bird takes care of the cuckoo's eggs. Some cuckoos even push out the other eggs in the nest to make sure that their eggs get all the attention. Summary. All birds have wings and feathers. Special body features help birds fly. Some birds can fly whereas others are flightless birds. Aquatic birds live in water. Birds eat a variety of foods. Birds take care of their eggs and young ones. Exercise. A. Tick 3, the correct option. 1. Which bird cannot fly? A. Parrot. B. Owl. C. Ostrich. 2. Duck lives in, on A. Water. B. Land. C. Tree. 3. This bird does not have sharp, strong and hooked beak. A. Eagle. B. Owl. C. Hawk. 4. This is a scratching bird. A. Parrot. B. Woodpecker. C. Pheasant. 5. This is also called a swimming bird. A. Wren. B. Duck. C. Ostrich. B. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct word given below. Down, bones, flight, warm, webbed, sharp, hooked, air, flight. 1. The 2 types of feathers are and 2. Down feathers keep the body. 3. Of birds are hollow. 4. The beaks of birds are hard with edges. 5. Swimming birds have feet. 6. The long and flat feathers are called feathers. 7. Flesh-eating birds have sharp, strong beaks. 8. The bones of flying birds are filled with. C. Tick the correct sentences and cross the wrong one. 1. Birds have 4 legs. 2. Some birds cannot fly. 3. The tail helps the bird to change directions. 4. Birds have very sharp teeth. D. Label the parts of the bird. E. Answer the following questions. 1. Name 2 birds that live in water. 2. What are down feathers? 3. What are the special features of aquatic birds? 4. Why are the bones of flying birds hollow from inside? 5. Why an ostrich cannot fly? Activity 1. Collect feathers of different birds and paste them in your scrapbook. 2. Follow the steps to make a bird. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, Step 4, Step 5, Step 6. Life skill. Keep a tray filled with fresh water and some grains on the terrace of your houses to feed the birds.